Marian here with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and today I have another amazing convertible. It is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz SL400 and it's finished in a palladium silver metallic with a very desirable and upgraded Napa porcelain color leather interior, as you can see, with a nice black stitching through lining through here. And of course you have your air scarves, your heated and cooled seats. We do have a premium sports package on this vehicle, which I will be touching on multiple things with that. But here's the illuminated door sills, and here is the light package. You can sort of see on my hands there where you can see the lights, which you actually can change the colors in that you can see better when it gets dark at night. Here's your AMG sport wheels. I did mention we have a premium package on this vehicle along with the sport package, and also the intelligent light system, which is half the reason we have the colored lights in the interior as well. Okay, I'm being told that it's a no. Whatever. All right, 3-liter. This is a 3-liter twin turbo, and it is a direct injected V6 engine. I do not get time to prepare on these vehicles, just so you know. That's why you guys should watch my blooper video, because I literally have 3 seconds, and that's why we develop blooper videos, because I have no idea what car I'm doing until I'm standing in front of it. So please forgive me when I give you wrong information, but I'm usually corrected instantly, and that was definitely the case. I would like to go ahead and shut the hood though, because I want you to see the lines and just how long the hood is here, and it gives it such a sporty look and feel. And I love the chrome appearance here and on the door handles. And I believe the color of the wood grain is a tiger's maybe
dark.
What is it?
Is it dark? Yes.
No, what is it? The color of the wood?
It's, I think bird's eye.
Bird's eye, yes. Yeah. Bird's eye maple is, I believe, the color of it. So it's probably not showing up very well in the video, but it is definitely a unique color and look, and very beautiful. And here's some speakers, and I believe some of your parking sensors. And here I'm going to show you the trunk. You do have your dual exhaust. One of the upgrades to this vehicle is the panorama roof, which you see here. And if you need to load something, when the top is down on this convertible, this lifts up, and then you lift this up. You place whatever you need to go inside the trunk. Here are your floor mats, which we do not have installed at this point in time. And then we put this back, push this little red button right here. This goes back down, and you push right here, and then the trunk closes for you. I am going to show you the top operation and just how well that works, and then I'm going to take it out on a test drive for you. Alright, I'm going to get it started up. We do have the keyless go and the keyless entry, and I'm going to show you the top operation. So it's just under here. You push down and the top will close for you. I'm going to close the top all the way, and then I'm going to open it. That way you can see both the closing and the opening. Okay, there's your panoramic roof from the inside. Like I said, that is an upgraded option to these vehicles, along with the air scarves. Right, before we take off, I'm going to show you the backup camera there. You can see it is a very clear command center and screen, and it shows you where you would be backing up to. I'm going to get us out here on the road, excuse me. And there's your navigation. And of course we do have the comfort and sport mode. I was in sport mode. That was switched over to comfort. That's just strictly a suspension thing. This road is not always the smoothest, and it helps my camera guy. There's the nice clock there. your navigation, as I mentioned, your radio, you have your XM options, the Bluetooth options as well, and your cold seats. This is going to be your heated seat button for the driver, cold seat button, and this is for your air scarves, your traction control, your parking sensors if should you want to turn them off, and of course this is your air scarves for your passenger, cold seats and heated seats. And for some reason my camera guy has the heated seats on. This is a one owner vehicle, and I mention these vents here. I love them. They're sort of the retro style, and I didn't even mention the mileage, 18,667 on the odometer. And of course you've got your massaging seats, which I am thoroughly enjoying at this moment. And here's a little better view of the lighting package here, as you can see. Such a cool little feature to these cars. Oh, and one thing I really like about this steering wheel, not only is it your leather wrapped multi-function, you have your paddle shifters and all the fun works. By the way, you do have parking assist as well on this car. But right here, I don't know how well it's showing up, right there, I love the Mercedes-Benz emblem there.
And it's still under warranty.
Yes, we are under warranty with this vehicle until October. So that's awesome. That's peace of mind for those who feel like they need a warranty. We do inspect all of our vehicles before they leave the lot or even be put onto the lot. And anything that needs to be fixed on them are fixed. And of course, this one has the double added comfort and peace of mind, the fact that it is under warranty as well. So if you are interested in this vehicle, please give us a call. It's 239-263-8500, and on the web it's AutoHausNaples.com. My name is Marianne, and I'm going to show you how it drives just a little bit. And that's just a little bit. I didn't really feel like speeding or anything like that or being crazy. I did not floor it at all, and I felt like my back was being pushed into the seat. So definitely a lot of power in this twin turbo engine. So they definitely didn't lack in that department. Oh, and you also have, there we go, turned it off.
You can't save it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, again, my name is Marianne, 239-263-8500. And AutoHausNaples.com. It's AutoHaus Naples on Instagram and on Snapchat. So find us there. And I will see you guys on the next one. Sorry, I don't want to. Wow. All right, one thing I did forget to show you is all the app options. All the new Mercedes-Benz, they always give you top of the line, the best of the best. They're always ahead. I love it. You can see the Mercedes-Benz apps, the internet. You can
operator's manual.
And yes, the manual. So
no more lost books.
Yeah. God, it's like the book shuffle all the time.
Yes.
Everybody wants to. Does it come with books? I've never even opened a manual.
No, nobody does.
I Google it, and that's
puts
what
you to
YouTube is for. I still love you guys. I love every one of my customers, like, dearly. So I mean that. You guys are all awesome, and I appreciate you. And once again, I will see you guys on the next one.